Want to know some of the best add-ons or extensions for Flow? Well, the Flow app itself has a wide range of features for period and ovulation tracking, as well as experience and partner insights. For users looking to enhance the experience, Flow Premium, you can get the Flow Premium. It unlocks additional features like personalized insights, symptom analysis, and the ability to share cycle information with partners. There are also options to import data from the Health app on iOS and connect with partners for mutual support. Well, the best extension or add-on is the Flow Premium for you. You'll get personalized insights, expert-backed information, partner sharing. You can enable your partner to understand your cycle and offer support, and you can also get pregnancy tracking. You'll also get other helpful features like health app integration, partner mode. Now, there is some things to consider that is cost. Flow Premium requires a subscription fee, while the free version offers basic tracking and community access. The partner feature may have limitations, and some users have reported a desire for customization as well. While the partner feature offers push notifications, some users have also noted the need for the partner to actively check the app for updates. If this video was helpful, do like and subscribe as well.